Hello everyone, my name is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Chillax. The song is Bravo View, the artist is ROBERSON, and the choreography is Ali James. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go.
Yeah. I see you with your girls and I truly do apologize. Yes, I really realize you're not here for these dudes. I see that big ring on your hand. Trust me, girl, I understand. Back at home, you got a man, and that's not the way I move. But when the DJ threw this record on, I saw you throw up your arms. Close your eyes and sing along. Catch you like this tune, and your legs can't stay still at all. Those high heel shoes, you took them off. So let me escort you to the floor. Girl, can I borrow you? Maybe he wouldn't mind if for a song or two you can act like you're mine. Oh, can I borrow you, girl? Would that be okay? Maybe when the song's done, we can just walk away. And watch you as you go. Walk away as you walk away, as you walk away. And I'll watch you as you go. Walk away as you walk away, as you walk away. I'm fully focused on your sway, not too concerned with what you say. I can hear you anyway. The smile says it all. Oh, now you wanna turn around. I'm not gonna fight you now. I'm not here to slow you down. No. See, I'm just here to compliment. Yeah, I'm styling anywhere I fit. Yeah, and I get close a little bit. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Yeah, considering it. I can for you to just enjoy. I wish that I could give you more. I guess that's not what we're here for. No, can I borrow you? Can I borrow you? Maybe he wouldn't mind. Maybe he wouldn't mind. For a song or two, you can act like you're mine. Come on, can I borrow you? Would that be okay? Maybe when the song's done, we can just walk away. And watch you as you go. Walk away as you walk away, as you walk away. And I'll watch you as you go. Walk away as you walk away, as you walk away. We had some fun. I find it special, so special. Yeah, careful not to let my heart talk right now, because you're getting it for me. For this limited time, charge you in mind. Can I follow you? Maybe he wouldn't mind. Maybe he wouldn't mind. For a song or two, for a song or two, you know, like mine. Would that be okay? Would that be okay? The song's done, we can just walk away. Walk fast. Can I borrow you? Can I borrow you, girl?
And there you go. Chillax. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.